Okay, hello. So now I teach you this Verbot script editor thing. So let's say I give this rule name. I want to say hi or hello. So I put one hi over here. Input means the user give the input one, and output is the Verbot will give the name one. Will give whatever they say. So my this hi got bracket括号is because I using synonym, because hi got many meaning hi got hey, hello, what's up, all that So I make a synonym file. And this hi I got hello, hey, hi, what's up yo. So to make a synonym I come to this bracket synonym. Here got synonyms, and I simply put hi and over here I put hi, hello, sup, and I put so many as much as I want then after I save. After I save then after I add the file, find the synonym I found then so make sure to put bracket to make sure that if the user say hey instead of hi it will work also one. So that's why I put bracket. So the robot will say hi, my name is hello, my name is Paimon so we try it out here and see. Okay, so before this oops, sorry. Okay, so before that we must add a VKB. See this VKB Paimon VKB in this my mouse cursor. VKB means knowledge base, that means our input output so we must remember to add this Paimon VKB. Let's say for example Paimon VKB. So my Paimon VKB I can say hi, so I say hey instead of hi I go give hey. She will say hello, my name is Paimon so that is how you do the input output. So if I go, okay, want to show you all one more thing okay, where is it? Then this VRP that means it's the replacement profile. That means we'll like give different face expression So over here I got angry face, got sad face, got happy face. This one pull up. So let's say I want to put angry face so I put angry face I put agent play dot I thought agent dot play angry is because if I go back to my conversive character go to my Paimon. Okay, oh yeah, I forgot, have to teach your character so one so this character is like got different mouth movement so I put silence and then A got E. See the movement of the mouth so like this one she say A and this one she say O, so I just click on the, so like this one I put this A I put as A then can already and this angry let's say I want to make angry animation, so I put this add animation angry this one I put angry. Then after that I'll press this add frame. So let's say I add one animation and I add one frame, then can find the images, I can put angry there. So that's how you do it so because this one the name the folder is angry then see angry, sad, happy, blush so must follow the name angry over here. So so that's why it's called agent play angry. Then sad is sad, happy is happy, blush is blush. Must be no spelling error. And then this one you can put anything, so that next time in the output for the Verbot they just use this emoji then after that the Verbot will follow this facial expression. Okay, so this one enough already. I don't want to save. This one don't want to save also. So like here I hate you let's say I say hate you I hate you. Then she'll say but why, what have I done? Then got the sad face, so I show you hate you. You see she show the sad face like this so that is how the VRP works. Okay, so now we got the underscore blank. So I reload first okay, she say all this word is because I use underscore startup. underscore startup means they will automatically, when I automatically open Verbot the auto startup will straight away say, I mean when after I press player, the Verbot player, they will straight away say this one. So that's why just now when I open they straight away say this. Underscore bot is like every 3 minutes or 5 minutes you never give her any input she will say this one, hey, I put this one already so after 3 minutes they choose either one. I put many output that means they randomly choose one. Okay, underscore blank that means your input is empty. So let's say I try to put no input okay, no input. Remember to type something. We'll simply choose one. So I try again. Don't leave your input. See, randomly one. So next is I teach you about, oh yeah, you can put many input so that like the students can type anything they want. So what's next okay, child rule like let's say I put hi as the new rule okay, this hi got the hi number 2, I add as new child. There, that's how I do child, just like this startup so this one I delete first. I don't want to show you all this one. I show you all this startup. So I go to startup okay, let's say I want to choose 1 or Q&A so I choose 1. So she'll say Q&A test. It's because over here she asked for either I want 1, 2, 3, 9 or 0. So I just now choose is number 1, right? So that's why over here after startup, so I press number 1, which is Q&A. So here that's why 1 Q&A. So because I like 1 Q&A then she'll say Q&A test. So if I try music so just now music is 0, right? Okay. So I add one more input sorry, I put on 0. Okay, I save, then I reload. Okay, I put 0. Okay, then I got this one see, I got 1 and 2 here, or if not 0 is back. So I got repeat as wildfire. If I choose 1 or repeat as wildfire then it will say good choice, you have, or if not you have great taste and listener also same thing. So let's say I try okay wait before that okay, here I got put one command which is the link to the music so this one also I think got, yeah, this one also got. So let's say I put 1. Okay, this one I just check to remember my choice only, then press yes, then they bring me to the music. So like we can do this for experiment like experiment example experiment website we can use the link okay, then after that we have back. Okay, this one I change for a while start up. Okay, so I reload first. So this send startup that means you send back to this, the first primary input one, which is this underscore startup. It must follow by the input one. So that's why I follow by the input, the send startup. So when I press 0, it will send me back to the hello there. So I try I reload first. 0, 0. Oh, I have to save first. I save and then reload. Okay, let's see. Hello there, I'm Paimon. See, it worked already. So to make sure that this back works because since 1 and 2 I didn't choose but instead I choose back, which is to send to startup. So my music I have to put virtual children. Sorry, not music, my back. Is it my back oh okay, never mind. Non-it also can, I forgot non-it also can so don't care about this one. So this is how you do the children one It's like I press yes and no. If I press yes, then I'll answer the next question. If I press no, I don't want to answer that question or something like that. Can make for quiz can make for Q&A experiment, chit chat. So I think that's about it bye bye.